Hey everyone, and welcome to English Easy Way. I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya. Today we're diving into one of the most common real life situations shopping for groceries.
That's right. We'll show you how to talk naturally while buying food, asking about prices, and finding what you need in a supermarket.
No grammar drills, no boring sentences, just real English in real situations.
So, grab your shopping list. Imagine you're walking through the store with us, and let's get started. Part 1 at the supermarket.
All right, Alex, what do we need first?
Let's see. I made a list this morning. First up, fruits and vegetables.
Good. I'll grab a cart. These baskets get heavy too fast.
Yeah, last time my arm was sore from carrying it. Okay, let's start with apples. Which kind do you like? Red or green?
I like green ones. They're a bit sour, but crisp.
Same. I'll grab a few. Maybe 6 should be enough for the week.
Sounds good. Don't forget bananas, they're perfect for breakfast smoothies.
Right. Should we get ripe ones or the greenish ones?
Let's mix it up, some for today, some for later. That way they won't all go brown at once.
Smart. Okay, what about vegetables? We need tomatoes, cucumbers, maybe some spinach.
Yeah, and a few bell peppers too. I love them roasted.
Me too. Oh, these tomatoes look really fresh. Let's take 4.
And 2 cucumbers should do it.
Got it. You know, grocery shopping with a list makes everything easier.
Totally. Without one, I end up buying snacks and forget the real stuff.
Speaking of snacks, should we get chips?
Alex, we said healthy shopping this week.
I know, I know, but just one bag won't hurt.
Fine. 1 bag. But make it baked, not fried.
Deal. Okay, what's next on the list?
Let me check. Milk, eggs, bread, and chicken.
All right, let's head to the dairy section. Oh wow, there are so many kinds of milk now. Whole, low fat, oat, almond.
I usually get almond milk. It lasts longer and tastes lighter.
Yeah, I've been trying that too. Okay, 1 carton of almond milk it is.
Cool. Now eggs, large or medium?
Large. I use them for breakfast and baking.
Good call. Okay, bread next. What kind do you like?
Whole wheat, for sure. It's healthier and keeps you full longer.
True. I'll grab 1 loaf. Hey, they have fresh sourdough too. Should we try it?
Ooh, yes. It smells amazing. Let's get 1.
All right, now the meat section. Do you want chicken breasts or thighs?
Chicken breasts. Easier to cook, less fat.
Okay, about 2 pounds should be enough, right?
Yeah, I'll grill some tonight for dinner.
Perfect. Oh, look at those spices on sale. Paprika, garlic powder, cumin, maybe grab a few?
Definitely. You can never have too many spices. They make boring food exciting.
Exactly. Okay, I think we've got everything.
Let's double check. Fruits, veggies, bread, milk, eggs, chicken, and a small bag of chips.
Perfect. You actually stayed on budget this time.
That's a first. Grocery shopping success.
Yeah. Now let's head to the checkout before we get tempted by the dessert aisle.
Too late. I already saw cookies.
Alex,
Kidding. Kind of.
you're hopeless.
But you love shopping with me.
Maybe. Especially when you carry all the bags.
Fair deal.
All right, that's our grocery trip done.
Yep. Now, get ready for the next part. Part 2. Back home and unpacking.
Finally, we made it home. My arms feel like jelly after carrying all those bags.
Tell me about it. I think I underestimated how heavy chicken, milk, and veggies can get.
Yeah, grocery shopping is basically a workout. We should count it as exercise.
Totally. Okay, let's unpack before everything melts. I'll handle the fridge stuff. You do the pantry deal?
Deal. So, milk, eggs, yogurt, fridge. Bananas and bread stay out.
Got it. Oh, look at these strawberries. They still look fresh.
Nice. Put them on the top shelf so they don't get squished.
Good idea. By the way, where do you keep your vegetables? In the bottom drawers?
Yeah, one for fruits, one for veggies. Keeps them fresh longer.
Smart. I really need to organize my fridge like this. Mine's chaos.
Let me guess, sauce bottles everywhere?
Exactly. There's probably ketchup from last year in there.
You need a fridge clean-out day.
Yeah, one day. Okay, veggies are in. Now the chicken. Should I freeze half of it?
Yeah, that's better. You won't finish all of it in 2 days. Just label the bag with today's date.
Right. I always forget what's in my freezer otherwise.
Same. I once found mystery soup from I don't even know when.
Mystery soup. Sounds dangerous.
It was. I threw it out immediately.
All right, freezer's done. Now for the pantry. Where do you want the rice and pasta?
Second shelf, next to the spices. And the chips, far away from me, please.
Tempting, huh?
Very. If they're in sight, I'll eat them all in one sitting.
I'll hide them behind the flour. Out of sight, out of mind.
Perfect. Oh, and put the olive oil on the counter. I use it almost every day.
Done. Wow. The kitchen looks so stocked and organized now.
Yeah, I love that feeling. Full fridge, full pantry, full heart.
Exactly. Grocery shopping may be tiring, but it's satisfying too.
For sure. You know what I like most? The smell of fresh bread when you open the bag.
Oh yeah. It's like instant happiness. Let's make toast later.
Good idea. Maybe with some butter and strawberry slices.
Fancy. You're turning snacks into art.
Always. So, what's for dinner tonight?
I was thinking grilled chicken, salad, and maybe some roasted potatoes.
Perfect. I'll prep the veggies while you handle the chicken.
Sounds like a plan. You know, we should start meal planning for the week. It'll save time and money.
Yeah, that's smart. We can write it on the whiteboard. Monday to Sunday, breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Exactly. And then next time, we'll shop based on the plan instead of guessing.
That's what adults do, right?
Apparently. Still feels weird being responsible.
Same. Okay, groceries are unpacked, fridge looks amazing, and we didn't forget anything.
Miracle. We deserve a coffee break.
Agreed. Let's sit for a bit before we start cooking.
Deal. Cheers to successful grocery shopping.
Cheers.
Now, get ready for the next part. Part 3. Cooking dinner with fresh groceries.
All right, everything's unpacked. Ready to cook?
Born ready. After all that shopping, I'm starving.
Same. So what are we making again?
Grilled chicken with roasted potatoes and a fresh salad. Simple but delicious.
Perfect. I'll handle the veggies, you deal with the chicken.
Got it. I'll start by marinating it. Let's see. Olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika. Oh, and a squeeze of lemon.
Nice combo. Smells good already.
Cooking is like therapy, you know? It's relaxing after a long day.
Totally. Unless you burn something, then it's stress therapy.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, chicken's marinating. Nice. Want to throw in some avocado too?
Absolutely. Avocado makes everything better.
Agreed. All right, I'll preheat the oven for the potatoes.
Don't forget to toss them in olive oil and spices first.
Already on it. Little bit of rosemary, salt, pepper. Perfect.
Chef Alex in action.
Hey, I learned from the best you.
Flattery will get you extra dessert later.
Sweet. Literally. Okay, chicken's on the grill, potatoes are roasting, salad's ready. I think we've got a solid dinner going.
I know. Look at us, responsible adults cooking with fresh groceries.
Who would have thought? Last year we lived on takeout.
Exactly. We've come a long way. And this way, we eat healthier too.
And cheaper. Groceries may look expensive at first, but cooking saves so much in the long run.
Yep. Plus, no waiting for delivery.
And no forgot the sauce moments.
True. By the way, did you set a timer for the chicken?
Yep, 10 minutes per side. Should come out juicy and perfect.
Can't wait. The smell's already making me hungry.
Same here. Oh, grab the plates, will you?
Sure. How many potatoes do you want?
All of them.
Nice try. I'm dividing them evenly.
You're no fun.
You'll thank me later when you're not too full to move.
Fair point. Okay, chicken's done. Look at that golden color.
Wow, that looks amazing. Let's plate it up: chicken, salad, potatoes, restaurant level.
Not bad for home cooking, right?
Not bad at all. Let's dig in.
So good. The lemon really adds flavor.
Yeah, and those roasted potatoes are perfect, crispy on the outside, soft inside.
We should make this our Sunday dinner routine.
Agreed. Grocery shopping in the morning, cooking in the evening. Perfect combo.
Exactly. And next week, maybe we try something new, like pasta or tacos.
Ooh, tacos sound fun. Homemade salsa too.
Deal. We'll add it to next week's shopping list.
All right. Well, dinner's a success. Clean plates, happy stomachs.
And a clean conscience, because we cooked it ourselves.
True. Okay, let's clean up before we get lazy.
Ugh, I was hoping you'd forget about that.
No chance. You cook, I clean, teamwork.
Fine, fair trade.
All right, dishes done, kitchen spotless, and we didn't burn anything. I call that a win.
Same here. What a productive day. Shopping, cooking, eating, and surviving it all.
Exactly.
Not bad at all.
And that's it for today's episode. We went shopping, cooked dinner, and learned a ton of useful English along the way.
Yeah, we hope you enjoyed it and picked up some new phrases you can use next time you go grocery shopping.
Remember, the best way to learn is to practice and repeat.
Exactly. Listen again, speak out loud, and use these words in real life.
Thanks for joining us on English Easy Way.
See you all in the next video.